To go through this course, all you need is a code editor and a simple web server. The editor that I'm going to use here is Visual Studio Code or VS Code that you can download from code.visualstudio.com. But feel free to use any editors. Now, with VS Code, we have this extensions panel here. Search for Live Server. This is a very simple and lightweight server that we're going to use to serve our application. So install this, and then here in the Files panel, let's add a new file, index.html. Now, to generate some basic HTML template, we can simply type an exclamation mark and press Tab. So a very basic HTML template. Now let's add a script element. So script with source set to index.js. We're going to write all our JavaScript code inside of this file. So let's add a new file and save it as index.js. And finally, to make sure that we have set up everything properly, let's do a console.log of hello world. Now, when you install Live Server, you should get this menu here in the status bar. If you don't see that, you probably have to restart VS Code. And if you still don't see it, simply right-click on index.html and select Open with Live Server. So this will fire up Chrome, pointing to this address. Now, let's open up Chrome Developer Tools. Here in the console tab, we've got Hello World. So before going any further, I want to emphasize that this course is not for beginners, it's for intermediate level developers. So you should have at least 3 months of experience programming in JavaScript. You should know the basics. You should know how to use Chrome Developer Tools. I'm not going to cover these in this course. Our focus is purely on object-oriented programming with JavaScript.